Early morning out here at the car yard. We have a Hyundai Accent. Blower motor is not working. Just got to get up in here and remove him. Hey, look at that, just tucked up there. Already been disconnected. And we'll replace that in a second. This is Accent. All there is, a couple little Phillips tips. One hiding just behind there. The other one up in that corner. And over here, take those out. The blower fan should just fall out. So I've got two out now. Last one. And there she is. Just reverse it, put it back in.